we will show you some outreach, some essential outreach tool that you need to use with both the daily POS data or the monthly KPI data as well. So basically, whatever you have to do in FED, these will be these will be the essential tool for you to manipulate. Okay, so the first one I need to show you is very simple. It's just to number the uh, the the rows. So for example, in here you can see there's rows, but then later if you want to keep uh, this is row number one, this is row number two, then how can you do that? So on the in the preparation menu here, you just have the record ID. You can change this one to the row number, and then it will appear in the first column of the data. So it look like this. Okay, so in here, it will appear at the first column. Okay, so similarly, this one is the column number. So if you see, if you uncheck the this button, first row contain data, then it will show you the Excel, the overall Excel. It will look like this. So F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, which is the first uh, column in Excel. So this one in Excel it will be A, B, C, and D. So this one uh, will give you the exact column number. Okay. So if you after you insert this row number here and then column number here, you can address exactly the value from each number row and column. So let me show you. For example, this 38, I can tell that this 38 come from mm, row 3, column 5, or column D, A, B, C, D, E, column E5 of the Excel. Okay, so there is a mechanism to convert the column number to Excel number as well. But let us focus on this view first, which is to address each column and each row. So even when you collapse the table, for example, like you keep this 3, 4, 5, and then you collapse this table, you can uh, still have the column number and then row number in order to address. Let me show you. So transpose here, and then I will keep from F1, F2, F3, F4, actually F3, and then I collapse from F4 onward. So after I run the workflow, it will look like this. Okay, so in here you can tell, for example, this value 551 here comes from row 9 and then column 8, so row 18 and column 9 of the Excel table. Okay, so if later if you just use the VLOOKUP from 9 to the Excel number, Excel column name, then can you can read the the address of the value already. So it's important. So this one is important because later if you want to check or you want to chase the value back to the original file, then it's helpful. Okay, let me show you the next one, which is to take the column name here, column name, column number here from the name here. So F9, I will remove the F and then I remove the F, replace the name in which F is will be blank. So this one is the trick is just mm, to take the number out of the name here, and then later you can use a number. So you plus and minus. So 9 plus 2, for example, 10 plus 2, it will be easier than F9 and then F10. Okay, so that's about it. Uh, so the second one would be the local numbering. So last time I think the this tool doesn't allow you to group anything, but then this time it allows you to group already. So so you can number you can number by, for example, by market. Okay, let me show you how to do it in here. So I will do I will copy the same thing line for line here. Mm, I will uncheck this to show you the table. Okay, so the row number here is one all the way to 70, but I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10 here, and then I want to start it one with Japan, and then this tool has this option to select by market here, so that you can actually select the you can renumber the rows by the market here. So if you sort this one by segment, and then you number with the same thing, and then it will give you the order by segmentation as well. Let me show you quickly by just copy this one over here. So compare line for line. But before doing anything, I will sort this one by by segment, sorry, by segment. Okay, so after this, and then I will do the numbering by segment, by segment. So I check this one by segment, and then okay, so in here you can see all the mega here, and then it will be from 1 to 14, and then again the second one super from 1 to anything. So this one is by segment, but then this one is by market. Okay, so this is the numbering tool. So last time normally we will use this multi-row formula, so which function in the same way, but then it will be a little bit more complicated, because we have to use to refer to the previous or the next row. But this one is more general, so basically you can refer to like 2 rows away or 3 rows away. You can also do that. Okay, let me show you the next one, which is using this one. So in this one, you can use the row number, and then you check on the market, for example. So it will you will renumber or resets the number every time there is a new market. Then it will reset. Okay, so this one you just take the row number of the previous row, which is row -1, and then +1, then you will have the next. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so this one, the number will come to the end in the end here. But then if you want to bring it in front, then you have to uh, use a select tool, and then you click in here and then move to the top. Okay, so after this, then you will have the view by market. Okay, so you can see here this view and this view, they are actually the same, but in terms of like function, or in terms of how the method to do it is different. This one we use the numbering tool. This one we use the multi-row tool to number the column. Okay, so now I will make a little bit changes from here, which is to make to number by 0.5. Okay, 0.5. So because 0.5 is not an integer number anymore, so I have to change this one to double, so that I can plus 0.5 in here. Okay, So you can see here the first one is 0.5, and then 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3, and therefore. So this one is more general because it allow you to assign the values with any step size. This one you have to step with one only. Okay, so the starting here, and then the time. I think, yeah, and I think that's all for the third tool. Okay, so so after this, if you want to number the rows for future addressings, then you should remember the two tools. The first one is the row record ID tool. The second one is the multi-row tool. Actually, the third one you can use uh, the running total here as well, but this one is also a little bit complicated, and I will ignore it in this video.